So we're taking a quick look at the Peter McKinnon Gomatic filter case. Now, it's a neoprene finish on here, and I've had this for about a year. We've got a nice little handle on here. The zip's got a nice sort of rubberized finish on the end here, little pull cord. You have the Peter McKinnon signature branding with the Gomatic logo on the front there. On the back, it's completely blank. So inside this case, we have a little net pouch inside the front of the case here. You could put a filter in there, but I'll show you what happens when you do that later. So inside in total, we have 1, 2, 3 sections for the filters, all having 2 separate expandable filter pouches on each one. Now, I have in here, this is a 52mm VND filter. This is a 58mm VND filter. Then up to the largest filter I have in here, which is very dirty, is an 82mm. It does stick out a little bit. Now, I was saying, in the back here, you do have another mesh compartment, which you could put probably a lens cloth in there. This is quite a big filter pouch. And compared to the camera, as you can see, it is, it's quite big for what it is. So it does offer quite a lot of protection. But if you did want to put another filter in here, this is what happens. So I've got another filter here. This is a 52mm. I'm going to put that in there. And then once you close that up, it's really quite tough on the zip. And I wouldn't really want to put too much pressure on that because I'd be worried about breaking that filter. So easily you can fit 6 filters in here, but I wouldn't put a 7th in there. I would just put a lens cloth in there. So essentially that was our quick look at the Peter McKinnon filter pouch. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I've had this for a year and it's protected my filters in that time, and it's had many drops and knocks. I'll put a link in the description so you can find out where to buy it from there. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos.